Welcome to HubSpot Sales. In this video, we'll explore the features, automation capabilities, and implementation process for getting started with HubSpot Sales Automation Tools. Whether you're a small team or a growing enterprise, HubSpot Sales helps you streamline your sales process, automate repetitive tasks, and close deals faster. HubSpot Sales is a comprehensive customer relationship management platform designed to help sales teams manage their workflows and customer relationships more effectively. The core purpose is to automate repetitive tasks so your sales team can focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. It's built to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's start with contact management. HubSpot gives you a centralized database where all your customer information lives in one place. You can track every interaction and conversation history with each contact. The system allows you to create custom properties to capture information unique to your business. Plus, you can segment your contacts into groups based on criteria that matter to you. Next, we have deal pipeline management. This is your visual representation of your sales process. You can customize your pipeline stages to match your specific sales workflow. HubSpot tracks the probability of closing each deal and helps you forecast your revenue based on your pipeline data. HubSpot includes powerful email and sequences tools. You can track when prospects open your emails and click on links, giving you real-time engagement data. The system lets you create automated email sequences that nurture leads without manual effort. You'll have access to a library of pre-built email templates to save time. Plus, you can schedule emails to send at optimal times for maximum engagement. Finally, HubSpot provides activity and reporting features. You can assign tasks to team members and track their completion. The analytics dashboard gives you detailed insights into your sales performance. You can see key metrics like conversion rates, deal velocity, and pipeline health. The custom report builder lets you create reports tailored to your specific needs. Workflow automation is where HubSpot really shines. You can set up triggers that automatically perform actions when specific events occur. For example, you can automatically assign new leads to team members based on territory or product interest. Workflows can automatically move deals to the next stage when conditions are met. They can also send notifications to keep your team informed without manual reminders. Lead nurturing is another critical automation feature. HubSpot scores leads based on their engagement and behavior, helping you identify the most sales-ready prospects. Drip campaigns automatically send targeted emails to prospects over time. The system tracks prospect behavior to understand engagement levels. Engagement scoring helps you prioritize which leads to focus on first. Email automation takes your outreach to the next level. You can create sequences of automated emails that go out over days or weeks. Personalization tokens let you automatically insert prospect names and company information into each email, making them feel personalized at scale. You can run A/B tests on subject lines and email content to find what works best. Every open and click is tracked, so you know exactly how prospects are engaging. Sales process optimization automation handles the administrative work. Follow-up reminders ensure you never forget to check in with a prospect. Document automation can generate proposals and contracts in seconds. The system can even create and send quotes automatically based on deal details, dramatically speeding up your sales cycle. Setting up HubSpot starts with account creation and configuration. First, you'll set up your company information, including your business details and branding. You'll define user roles and permissions so different team members have appropriate access levels. Then you'll customize your sales pipelines to match your specific sales process and deal stages. Data import and management is critical for success. If you're migrating from another system, you can import your existing contacts. You'll want to clean your data by removing duplicates and validating information accuracy. Property mapping ensures your existing data aligns with HubSpot's structure. Managing duplicates early prevents confusion and reporting errors down the road. Integrations setup connects HubSpot with your other tools. Email integration syncs your inbox so all communications are tracked in HubSpot. Calendar synchronization keeps your schedule and HubSpot activities in sync. You can connect HubSpot with other popular business tools through native connectors. Third-party app connections through the HubSpot app marketplace expand functionality. Team training and adoption are essential for successful implementation. User onboarding ensures everyone learns how to use the system effectively. Best practices training helps your team work efficiently from day one. Process documentation creates reference materials your team can use. Setting up success metrics defines what good looks like and helps you measure return on investment. Data quality is foundational. Keep your contact records and deal information clean and accurate. Regular data audits prevent confusion in your pipeline and ensure your forecasts are reliable. Regular updates mean your data stays current. When contact information or deal status changes, update it immediately. Real-time information helps your team make better decisions based on accurate data. Workflow optimization is ongoing. As your team uses HubSpot, gather their feedback on what's working and what isn't. Continuously refine your automation workflows to match how your team actually works. Monitor analytics regularly to spot trends. Review key metrics like conversion rates, deal cycle length, and win rates. Identifying bottlenecks helps you remove obstacles to closing deals. Here's your 4-step roadmap to get started. Step 1, sign up for HubSpot. Create a free account and select the sales tier that matches your current needs. You can always upgrade as you grow. Step 2, complete initial setup. Configure your company details, create custom pipelines that match your sales process, and define your deal stages. Step 3, import and organize your contacts. Add existing contacts from your current CRM, email, or spreadsheets. Organize them into segments so you can target them effectively. Step 4, set up automation and integrations. Create workflows that handle routine tasks. Connect your email so communications are tracked. Integrate with tools you already use to centralize your workflow. You're now ready to transform your sales process with HubSpot Sales. HubSpot empowers your team to work smarter by automating routine tasks, close faster with better visibility into your pipeline, and scale successfully as you grow. Start automating and optimizing your sales process today. Your team will thank you for removing the friction from their daily work. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your HubSpot implementation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.